Well, hello everyone. Steve here. Today's a very special day. It's the company's 20th anniversary today, and I'd like to share a couple of things with you. First off, I'd like to thank everyone who got us this far. All of our employees, people who used to work with us, people who currently work with us, our suppliers and vendors, including shipping companies, subcontractors who helped us install jobs, especially big jobs, contract jobs, and whatnot. And I just would like to let you guys know that I send you guys all my warm wishes and prayers, and um, you know, I am very gracious. I have complete gratitude for everything that everyone has done. And no matter what, you are all in my prayers always. And I very much would like to just let you guys know that. And, you know, I'm getting a little too serious here now. It's not typical of me, but I just really want to share that, and hopefully I can do this without crying. So again, I'd like to thank our employees, those employees who have worked for us before, and those who currently work for us. We appreciate everything that you've done, everything that you do, and I would like to express my gratitude, appreciation, and enjoy the video that follows. It's a history of the company and the people that have been with us. Okay, thank you guys. God bless, and take care.
keep it